back to the AJ.
Yes.
So, for today's video, me and my sister are going to play Don't Press the Button Ace.
But I want to.
No. And also,
gonna-
guys, you'll be watching on my screen. As you can already see, you'll be watching my screen. No, please don't. And also, guys, do you like our new twin outfits? Our new twin outfits is so cool. Our other twin outfits is from our Tower of Misery video. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch it. Okay? Let's get started. Did you just press the button? Okay.
Yeah.
Dodgeball.
I'm
Okay.
totally gonna win.
No, you're not.
I am. I broke the pies.
What? Okay, I pressed the button. And also, I won on the dodgeball if you didn't see. Galaxy. Galaxy. Gem is mine. That coin is mine. And that gem is mine. And that coin is mine. Everything is mine.
It's not yours. This server is not your server.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
It's a private server. Oh.
It's mine. Okay. Wait, what are we supposed to do? I think this is gonna fall.
Step on
I knew it wasn't gonna fall. I knew it was gonna fall.
Because you shouldn't have
Wait, what happened?
on my truck.
I was the button for a second.
No, I was.
Just gonna get that gem. Don't pull the lever.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, now we have to pull the lever. Let's see what's gonna happen.
We're
What?
gonna fall.
Oh, our bodies. We exploded. We exploded. Dodgeball. Dodgeball. I'm gonna actually get you in first try. That's the magic trick, guys. Look, her in first try.
Yep.
I did it! Plus 10 coins.
Sure.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Banana. Tongue. That's our tongue. Oh no. I think I changed my mind. I don't want to go in the noob's tongue. Help me! I keep on slipping. Oh no, I'm gonna be pooped. Oh no.
You're going into the butt and out of the butt in the
I'm gonna be pooped. Why do I have a poop on my head?
Because you're poop.
I have a poop on my head.
Because you're poopy.
You know, it actually kind of undercover in my hair because my hair is like brown. So press the button, Ace. I don't want to press it.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Fine.
Ooh, cold. What is it going to do?
My head.
What happened to me? I don't like it, so I'm resetting. After I
Well,
get
you're
scarred,
thick and bony.
I'm resetting.
You're bony. No.
Ah.
You're bony.
No, I'm not. You have a big head.
I'm going.
Boulders are coming. Boulders.
Help me. I don't want to be a part of us.
Okay. I should have never done that.
Cut. Okay, we're restarting.
No, we're not.
Cut.
Gem. Ooh.
Be cut. No.
Pressing the button. Boop. I'm so small.
I'm the mama.
Big
I'm
giant.
the mama. I'm the mama.
No, you're not.
I am.
You have a
I
big
have
giant
a big fat head. Get on the platform.
Yellow platform, not even moving. Ace and me both died. Oh.
Whoa! I almost fell.
Wait, what?
You
What happened?
been you.
Wait, oh, I think I got it.
Die to death.
Don't move! I'm scared. I don't want to risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. I'm gonna get.
Did you move?
I got the sword and you didn't even notice that you just died.
Why did I die?
Sit down.
Yeah.
Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum
I'm
bum.
gonna die in real life. I might have cancer, but I
Ace. Jam. Ace, move somewhere, cause you're just standing in the edge.
so I don't die.
Well, that is the safe place. I pressed the button. Everyone is getting. Okay, see, you're not my mama.
I am. I name my favorite color.
Stop.
Okay.
Jam. Press the button. Good.
Beep.
Bomb. Why bomb again? I better not get it.
I'm at the edge again.
Maybe I should go to the edge. I'll just get. Doesn't matter.
You just get stuck.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna look at the shop. Let's see what we can get. Let's go in the gear. Speak oil, and then. Maybe that. No. Yeah, I don't want anything. Okay. I'm gonna press the button. And what is gonna happen? Oh, we have to throw the ornaments on the tree, I think. Yeah, I think that's what.
Look at that ornament.
So we have to put it on the tree.
Having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
1, 2, 3,
Joking, I don't really know.
2, 4. Wait,
Joking,
what?
I know, but I'm not telling you.
3,
How much have you got?
4.
I have, I don't really know.
Are you not gonna tell me?
Not.
Let's see. Oh, why do we keep on pressing it?
You died.
No, I didn't. You won. Wait, what?
Yeah, I had a lot of diamonds.
No, you don't. At the leaderboard, guys, you can see that I have more coins and diamonds than Ace. Oh no. Okay. Guys, I just died. No. Ace, die, please.
No.
Why do I keep on pressing the menu?
I don't know, because you're our menu.
Excuse me?
What?
Baby sauce.
What did he just say?
What?
I don't know.
Who said?
Get on the platform! Get on the platform! Get on the platform! Get on the platform! Ha 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 ha. Just somebody.
I like singing. I like dancing.
Let's see, what are we gonna do?
I like trains.
Trains. Ace,
What?
you lie. You're not talking. Didn't you press the button? Okay.
Okay, just
Get ready to push off the people. I'm gonna push you off.
I'm gonna put
Guys, I can't move. I can only jump. See, I still can't move. He. Who? What did he? Oh, my head. My head. Get on the platform.
No, Michael.
No, it's Matt.
Why?
Let's look in the gear again. I don't think I would want any. Yeah, I really don't like any. Oh, sword fight, sword fight. I think I'm gonna win. I'm gonna beat you, Ace. I'm gonna eat. Oh, I told you. I told you. Jam. I'm gonna press the button. Abby! Come on. I bet you're gonna lose.
I bet you're gonna die.
No, you're gonna die. Even though you made it there first, I think you're gonna die because slow one always wins. See? I just told you. I finished the other arm. Guys, I'm proud. Gem! You're gonna still try to do an RB. I bet it's gonna be gone soon. Is it gone?
Ow.
Is it gone? Yep, it's definitely gone. Baldy! He's right there!
No!
He's right there! Help me! Chase my sister, not me! Okay, good.
Help! I'm gonna chase you.
No, don't chase me or else he's gonna chase me too! Oh, okay, good. Wait, is it still there? Is it still there? Where's the hole? Where's the hole? Oh, I bet I'm gonna die. And I died.
I think that's our mama or dad. I don't know.
Stop. I'm kidding. I'm gonna press the button.
Tick that.
Cauldron. Okay. We are thick. We are really thick. I think I'm gonna keep this because this looks funny. Hey, how dare you get my gem?
It's not your gem. It's
Oh, I think they're diamonds. Yeah, they're definitely diamonds.
Sky.
Let's whack some moles.
Moles.
Whack 'em.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win, baby, baby. I'm waiting. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. And the morning comes. I get more than you.
I know. Whack the moles. Whack 'em. 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 You're gonna whack those moles from the ground. You're gonna whack them moles from the ground. You're gonna whack those moles from the ground. You're gonna whack them, whack them.
You have to whack those moles on the ground. You have to whack those moles.
Oh, you
in
won.
the ground. And you have to put them in the air and flew them around. Put them in the air.
Okay, stop. Boulders are coming, Ace! Go in those holes.
They just fell.
Jam!
Fail to do
Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Boop. Oh, I forgot. We're still fit. Trivia question. Plus 10. Oh,
20.
easy. Who wouldn't know that? It's the easiest question of all. Okay. What's gonna happen? We got smaller. Oh my gosh, we look so weird. Flappy bird.
Okay.
Flappy bird.
I'm a flap. Ba, 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 ba.
I want the galaxy one again. Oh my gosh, we actually got the galaxy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you just.
Hey, let's follow it. Let's go. Follow me.
Sure.
Follow me. Come on, follow. You can just jump. Wee. Oh. I should have never done that. Okay. Press the button. Time for a trivia question. In what year was Don't Press the Button created?
2019.
19. I told you. 2019. Press the button. Beep. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Make sure you go subscribe, like, and share. See you guys next time.